Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit A's on Flo app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Flo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now navigate your way to the small icon on the top left corner of your screen, then scroll down. From there, you're gonna have to select privacy settings and tap on change account details. Once you do that, on your screen you can see a bunch of options. Under manage accounts, scroll down and select how can I change my A's in the app. Scroll down and look for the here option there, which is right beside request. Tap on here. Now tap on the drop down icon and select I need help with something else. Once you do that, you're gonna have to type in your email address, write your query, then give more details and tap on submit. And guys, that's it. That's how you edit your A's on Flo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.